Got a new iPhone and wondering how to transfer text messages from your OnePlus? In this video, I'll show you simple ways to move your chats quickly and stress-free. Part 1. Why it is difficult to move SMS from OnePlus to iPhone. Part 2. Transfer messages from OnePlus to iPhone with phone transfer. Phone transfer helps you move contacts, messages, photos, videos, music, and more between phones. You can back up contacts to your computer, create ringtones, and convert hike images to JPEG or N easily. Step 1. Export SMS from OnePlus and iPhone to your PC. Start by downloading and installing phone transfer on your computer. Then, connect both your OnePlus phone and iPhone to the computer using USB cables. Set your OnePlus phone as the source device. You'll see your files organized into categories. Click on Messages to access your text messages. Wait for the software to load all your messages from the OnePlus phone. Select the text you want to transfer, then click Export to PC. Choose CSV as the file format. This is the most suitable option. Now, switch to your iPhone and repeat the process to export your iPhone messages in CSV format. Step 2. Merge messages. Open both CSS. Copy OnePlus messages below iPhone messages. Save as new CSV. Step 3. Transfer to iPhone. Connect iPhone. Open eTools, Toolbox iTunes Backup, or Restore Messages. SIMs. DB import from CSV. Load merged file. Part 3. Transfer SMS from OnePlus to iPhone via Move to iOS app. Set up your iPhone until you see the Apps and Data screen. Tap Move Data from Android and wait for a code to appear. On your OnePlus phone, download and open the Move to iOS app. Follow the instructions to enter the code from your iPhone and connect both devices. Select Messages as the data to transfer, then follow the on-screen steps to complete the transfer. Part 4. Transfer SMS from OnePlus to iPhone using SMS Backup and Restore. On OnePlus, install the app Backup. Select text messages. Backup. Now choose location on iPhone. Add Gmail account. Access transferred messages.